and walking and talking intelligently, holistically being really beautiful as people, as of course lovely looking people, and of course being styled well. That is what the Femina Style Diva is all about. Well, today it's my tribute to the night because I've been styled really beautifully by this talented stylist called Meher Ahmed, and the gown is by Jade, and the gorgeous jewelry is by Anmol. And of course my songs are going to be also in sync with the evening. There's a song called Kya Nazakat Hai Teri Adaon Mein. I'll sing a line of that for all of you.
Yes.
क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में, क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में. So well, that's what the evening is going to entail. Lot of fun, lot of music, lot of masti, and of course a lot of style and many stylish divas out there.
Okay, Shivani, what do you think? What does it require to be a style diva?
Yeah, well, I think it's a combination of your looks, your personality, confidence, and of course being very real. It's always nice to be real. Wear something of your own, which is your own attitude, your own personality, something which is special, very original. That's what a style diva is all about.
Ayush, what are you looking forward with this evening of fashion and style?
This will be a lot of fun evening. I think this will be a lot of fun because this is Femina Fashion Style Diva, Femina Style Diva, और इसमें contestants हैं और उनको आप judge करेंगे on their style quotient. 3 तरह के round होंगे यहाँ पर. पहले round में they'll showcase their own collection, their own look. Second will be a sponsored round और तीसरा जो round होगा वो question answer round होगा. तो उसके लिए मैं काफी look forward कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, Ayush, when it comes to fashion and styling, what is your own formula of fashion and style?
I think there should be no formula. If you're sticking to a certain formula, तो शायद आप इतने अपने आप को change नहीं कर पाएंगे. You're not that flexible as a stylist. तो मुझे लगता है कि आपके पास एक quirky element होना चाहिए to break the monotony. That's about it.
आयुष मैं यहाँ पे आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, ये जानना चाहूँगा, बॉलीवुड में से ऐसी कोई फैशन फैशन टिप्स आप लेना चाहेंगे और कोई एक ऐसा जिनको आप देना चाहेंगे सामने से फैशन.
I think देना क्या चाहूँगा मैं fashion tip. I think fashion tip लेना चाहूँगा सैफ अली खान से. I think he's very stylish और सोनम कपूर of course is very stylish and also Deepika Padukone.
और देना किसे चाहेंगे?
देना किसको चाहूँगा styling tips यार. ऐसे क्यों मेरे को मार पड़वाओगे तुम?
दोस्ती में
छोड़ो ना.
Okay, Ayush, what do you think? Are brands really necessary to look fashionable?
I think not really. I think अगर आपको सिर्फ डिज़ाइनर कपड़े पहनने हैं तो हर कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाएगा. I think अगर आप एक decent shirt, decent jacket, एक bow tie, एक decent shoes ले सकते हैं, अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं. And that's more than enough. आपको हमेशा डिज़ाइनर कपड़े पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
आयुष्मान आजकल कौन सी चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रखते हैं पब्लिक एक्सपीरियंस?
Of course, 7th अक्टूबर को मेरी एल्बम सिंगल लॉन्च हो रहा है. It's called मिट्टी दी खुशबू और उसमें हुमा कुरैशी है. तो मैं गाने काफ़ी आजकल गा रहा हूँ.
उसकी एक झलक एक्सक्लूसिवली
मैं वो नहीं गा पाऊँगा अभी. वो नहीं गा पाऊँगा. हाँ, हो गया. हो तो गया. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.